I can't believe how bent this is still.
They had to pull it out of the ditch or something with.
It does look like there was something hooked there.
Yeah, just.
Yeah, it's just hooked. That's okay.
That is one weird bend.
Yeah, it's like, I don't understand how that could have been. It's an aluminum piece. Imagine if the ditch was, it was tight in the ditch or wherever it was, they were yanking it with that. And they might only hook this side, you know, they didn't hook both sides because. All right, well, I'm just gonna go ahead and tear it off now. I got what I needed. Phone's ringing. This control arm bushing is this control arm is bent here, like bad. Can't get a good video. Oh, here. See, it's supposed to be a straight line. It's bent. I'm gonna go ahead and pull all this off. Get another clip. Okie dokie. So I've got the new suspension piece in here. It's the thrush arm with the ball joint, and the rearward control arm, which is right here. It's supposed to be straight. Yeah, right now, guys, sorry, there's not a great angle I can give you, but I'm just tightening up a couple of the last things that I need to before I can put everything back together. Just want to make sure that everything's tight. Would hate for something to fall apart on the road. I really don't like this setup. I don't have the proper wrench. Alright, I got that nut tightened up. Let's finish up the rest. Tight. That one's tight. One's tight. I made sure this one was tight. Tighten this one. I got this one and this one. Okay, now I'm gonna put the rest of the suspension back together. Alright, so now we got the whole brake assembly back on, the caliper of the bracket, little spring. I tightened everything up down here, and we're gonna go ahead and maybe put the wheel on, and then the wheel well, and then I could put the bumper and the headlight in and take this thing for a drive. I actually am going to take it for a drive without the, I think I'm going to take it for a drive without the front bumper and headlight, because I'm really excited to see if it is going to drive in a straight line now that we got these new suspension parts on there. So I'll go ahead and keep this camera running. Hopefully, if I can get the touch, my hands are so greasy the screen won't work. Alright, so I got the wheel back on and everything back put together. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this thing. Get it on the ground.